So here's the demonstration of how to do a half Turkish get up. So I'm doing it with the kettlebell. So you're gonna be lying on your right side and you're gonna hold with your right hand the kettlebell. Put your top hand on top and you bring that close to your body, roll over onto your back, press up with both arms, keep your right knee bent, the other leg open at 45 and the other arm open. So what you're gonna try and do here now is you wanna try to roll up towards onto your left elbow. So you're going to dig in with your left heel, engage your core, keep your body and this arm stays vertical. And you're gonna go and then roll up onto your elbow. So you're staying in this position. You really wanna make sure, a lot of mistakes people will get the shoulder in this position. You have to push through the shoulder, keep the arm strong. Then you take your arm and push up nice and strong. Again, a lot of people will bring your shoulder forward. You want to keep the shoulder in line as well as the shoulder. Then you're going to lift up and then slide that knee underneath, keeping a nice sort of position here. And then you could go into the position and straighten yourself up. Now that's the half. We're going to go right back down. You're going to slide your arm down. Keep that arm nice and strong. Put back into a sort of tabletop position. Keep your core engaged, arm nice straight position. And now you're going to push into your left arm, bring that leg right back, bring your elbow back, your hip back down, watching your arm is straight and the shoulder's not going forward. Keep that shoulder open, drop the elbow back down, again nice and strong through the shoulder, and then keep the core in, bring it right back down. Arms, bring your knees together, bring the kettlebell back, and then reposition onto the ground.